Hi, this is Lauren from LSP Actions, and I'm going to use the Boho Fairy Trail brush on this image here. For a more in-depth tutorial of how to set up these brushes, please watch video number 1. So I'm going to start here by pressing the Fairy Trail brush setup. I'm going to choose Fairy Trail from my installed brushes here, which I've already installed. Again, please watch video 1 if you're unsure of how to install these. And I'm just going to do a quick test run to see the size of this on this image. Just deleted and undone that. I'm going to make that a teeny bit bigger, and then I think I'm going to have this kind of starting here. I'm just going to shape this around them both. See, I'm kind of going back and forth over the trail that I'm making here. If at any point I don't like it, I can just hit undo. This will show really nicely on dark areas. So just pop this wherever you're kind of happy. I don't think I like any of this area here, so I'm just going to grab the eraser tool and just take that off. And then back onto my brush. So we've come around here, around the front, up there. So I'm just using the mouse to kind of do this. You can use the bracket keys to make this bigger or smaller, to add bigger or smaller fairy trails in there. It really is up to you how kind of creative you get with these. And when you're happy, press the action again. It was on bright red because it was paused. I'm using these on button mode. Select a normal brush again. If you're on Creative Cloud, it would have done this for you. If not, just right click, come up to the top and select hard or soft round. On black, and take this off any way you don't want it to show. Though I'm pretty happy with where it is right now. I'm just going to take the flow down a little bit. And then you'll notice you have an add colour layer here to turn on, and an extra bright, and I'm going to pop the extra bright on just to add a little bit more. And also add the colour too. You can double click this and choose which colour you want to add. See, right now they're red, but it will default onto a kind of a bright orange, which works really well. That's before and after using the LSP Fairy Trail brush setup. You can find that along with the Dust Scatter Brush, Glowing Particles, Firefly and the Boho Brush setup, all in the same Boho Brushes collection. And that's available at www.lsp-actions.com.